So hello students, welcome to my channel. I am the teacher over here and today I am going to write an application to the block development officer of your block requesting him to get a tube well sunk in your village. This application is written in the recent format. Ankura Karanjia Mayurvanj, 15th November 2024. To the block development officer Karanjia. Subject: request for sinking of a tube well. Respected sir, I have the honor to inform you that Ankura is a village in Karanjia block. Most of its inhabitants are working class people who live below the poverty line. All the tanks and wells in the village run dry during the summer months. This year there has been no rain for the last 7 months and all the tanks wells have run dry. People of our village are suffering a lot for want of drinking water. I should be grateful if you would kindly take necessary steps for getting a tube well sunk in our village or immediately as possible in order to provide us with drinking water. Yours faithfully, you are going to write your name under this. Kartikeya Viswal, Ankura Karanjia.
Yeah.